The cabin air filter in your 2023 Mazda CX-30 is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. First, empty the glove box to clear the area. Then, gently depress the sides of the glove box to release it from its hinges, allowing it to swing down. You'll see a rectangular plastic cover or panel at the top of the now open glove box area. This cover is secured by either clips or screws, depending on your model. If there are screws, use a screwdriver to remove them. If it uses clips, gently unclip them to remove the cover. Behind this cover sits the cabin air filter. This process should take about 5 minutes. Once the cover is removed, slide the old cabin air filter out. Note the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. This indicates the direction of airflow. Dispose of the old filter responsibly. Now, insert the new cabin air filter, ensuring the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as it did on the old one. This is crucial for proper filtration. Next, reattach the rectangular plastic cover, securing it with either the clips or screws that you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the glove box by aligning the hinges and pushing the sides back into place until they click. Test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Replacement should be done every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. This whole process should take around 5 minutes.